Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Have you ever been in a situation where you want to send large files to someone, but then you realize that the USB that you have does not have enough storage? Then you think that, yeah, okay, I can send it through online features like Google Drive or OneDrive, but then you realize that Google Drive or OneDrive has storage limits, and if you want to send large files, you have to buy the premium plans. If you're stuck in a situation like this, then you're watching the right video. For this video, I am going to be using two laptops. The first laptop is going to send files and I am going to refer it as System A. The second laptop is going to receive those large files and I am going to refer it as System B. On System A, you're going to open any browser and you're going to open the website toffeeshare.com. I will put this website link in the video description just below the like button. So we are going to use this website to transfer our large files from one PC to another. The main and best thing about this website is that first of all, it's completely free. It does not have any file size limit like in Google Drive. It's fast, and last thing is that your data is secure in it because it only acts as an access point to transfer your files from one PC to another. It does not store any file in their servers. In order to share any file, you're going to press on click to browse or drag files. You're going to select any file that you want to transfer. In my case, I have this gameplay video of Fortnite which I am going to share with the second system or System B. Here it is going to show you the file name, its size and a link. You're going to click on the link and the link will be copied, and you are going to share this link with that person whom you want to download this file. You can also share through WhatsApp, Facebook or LinkedIn. So let me share this link with System B using WhatsApp. In System B, you are simply going to click on the link and it's going to automatically open the ToffeeShare website. Here it is going to show you the file name, its size, and you're going to press on the download button. And here you can see that the file transfer process has started. You're going to get pretty good transfer speed using this website. Obviously your internet connection and internet speed is a big factor as well. Now you can see that file is being transferred from System A to System B seamlessly. The only downside of this whole system is that it is dependent on the internet connection. So since no file is being saved on the server, since it is a direct peer-to-peer connection, if internet is disconnected on System A or the sending system, or let's say that the sending system is powered off while the file is being transferred, then the whole process will be cancelled and the file will not be transferred. So you need to make sure that while the file is being transferred, you will not disconnect internet on both the devices and you should not power them off. Let's say that if I want to cancel the transfer, I can simply press on the cross button, or if this cross button is not working, I can simply close the browser, press on leave, and this will automatically cut the connection. And here in System B, you can see that the download speed is dropping quite fast and a point will come where the download process will stop. So this is a little downside, but looking at its advantages, I think that this is still the best solution to transfer large files from one system to another. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.